Hey folks, Mike Klingensmith, All Seasons RV. Today I'm going to give you a full walkthrough on the 2021 Arctic Wolf 3550 Suite. Now this is a 3 slide out fifth wheel, weighs about 9670 unloaded. So your tow vehicle, which I would recommend is a 3/4 ton truck or bigger, has to at least tow 10,006 or more. And again, 3 slide out unit. It's about 37 foot 7 inches, and this is what we consider a couples coach, so this can easily sleep 2 to 4 people comfortably. So walking right around the front, you do have an open storage compartment right up front where your battery would lay, and then also your spare tires up front. That is a full spare, not a donut. Around the side, you have one propane tank on this side and another propane tank on the opposite side, and it does have the auto switch over right inside. If you have questions about that, our parts manager has made a video on that, so feel free to go on our website and check that out as well. You have a double full pass-through that you can access from the door side or non-door side. New feature this year is they're putting on a leash latch here. So if you had a little furry friend, you can hook up there, at the campgrounds. It's better than attaching them on the side of like a step and them getting all tangled up. On the opposite side, this being inside, it's a little hard to see on the opposite side, so I'll just explain. On the opposite side, you do have an outside shower, hot and cold with the spray nozzle, and you do have the black tank flush as well, so you can hook a garden hose to that, a little spray nozzle in the black tank, get all that loose sediment out, so keep the inside of the unit smelling really nice without any backdraft in that black tank. There is a TV hookup out here, so if you wanted to put a sports game or movie on outside, basically, you can hook up all the cables in here. You can feed the wires through here, keep all your storage compartment doors shut. And again, set up a little TV outside. Another cool thing about the Arctic Wolves is they do have the slam latch doors, just like a motorhome, plus little magnets here to hold up the storage compartment doors. Indoor-outdoor speakers, so you'll have your outside marine-grade outdoor speakers with the nice blue LED accent lights behind the speakers. And under your power awning, you have a blue LED strip lighting outside. Gives it a great pop at night. And you'll always know where your camper is as well. Now with those LED lights, you can always turn them on and off. You don't always have to have them on all the time. Another new feature to this year, 2021's, is their new blacked out glass door. And with this glass door, you're also getting a window up top in the door. It's not frosted, so you can clearly see out the window. It is ready for a shade, so prep for a shade if you wanted one. Ask one of us dealers and we can price one out for you. It does have the 3-step, more ride sturdy steps. The most common question I have about these stairs is, where do they go when you travel? So it's really easy. These just flip right inside the unit. Locks in place there, and then when you shut the door, it pinches all together so it's not wiggling back and forth and causing any damage. Also with the steps, there's little buttons here on both sides, so you can actually adjust the legs depending on the lot that you go to. You have an oversized grab handle, help you get in and out of the unit. And then moving more towards this side, you have an outside entertainment, outside kitchen. So this one's a little bit special. Normally they put a double door fridge in here with one side being a fridge, the other side being a freezer. But what they did, they substituted it with this really sleek looking outside mini fridge. And then they're also pairing it with an outside ice maker. So this is kind of unique. You're not always going to get this, but kind of special. So we got this kind of upgrade for us. And then finally on the rear side, you will have a travel rack rated for 200 pounds. So if you had firewood, travel totes, bicycles, you name it, you can put it on the back as long as you don't exceed 200 pounds. And then they will come with an observation camera on the back, and it comes with its own monitoring screen that you plug into your vehicle. It's a live feed traveling down the road, and it acts as a backup camera as well. So let's jump inside. I'll show you the entire layout inside. So right when you walk in, again, this being a couples coach, 3-slide unit, huge living area here. They've extended the island to give you a lot more counter space in here, a lot of prep counter space. Newer again to this year is the hand sanitizing station below. You can put soap in there if you didn't want to put hand sanitizer in there. one bowl stainless steel farm style sink with a pull down residential spray nozzle as well. Will come with the cover over the sink. And I do know a lot of my customers actually use this, the back, as a cutting board. But what's kind of cool, if you didn't want to mess that up, is behind your 3-burner cooktop stove here, they're actually putting in a real cutting board. Now this is bamboo. It's less likely to really soak in any type of juices. Easy to clean. And then if you're not using it as a cutting board, you can actually put it right back up top. If there's magnets to hold it up, acts as a nice backsplash as well, so you're not splattering grease all over your wallpaper. Again, 3-burner cooktop stove with a glass countertop over top to, again, give you a little bit more prep counter space, even though this has a ton of it, not only on the island, a little bit here next to the stove, but you get an awesome coffee bar right to your left, right next to the giant pantry. So again, coffee pot, air fryer, crock pot, you name it. That's a great spot to put it, and you're not cluttering up the rest of the counter space. Might as well, since we're here, huge pantry here, 3 shelves with the light, and what I love about it is Arctic Wolf actually puts in, you know, this is designated for a pantry. Up top, tons of storage here, LED lights above. And what's kind of cool with this little island or counter space over here, not only do you have 110 outlets, but you have USB charger ports right next to it. And then 2 additional drawers. These drawers come all the way out, no dead space at the back, so you're not going to lose things and have to reach back there. All drawers pull all the way out, no dead space. Has a 11 cubic 12 volt refrigerator. So while we're talking about the 12 volt fridges, it'll cool down a lot faster than your traditional old school 6 or 8 cubic gas electric fridges. Plus with the gas fridges, you'll have these metal slots here that take up a lot of room. It's 12 volt, it's deep, it's big, cools down a lot faster. And then with all of our Arctic Wolves, Alpha Wolves, Cherokee products, we're getting them with the juice pack. What the juice pack is a 50-watt solar panel on the roof to help keep that battery up front charged when you're not plugged into your vehicle or when you're not plugged in on the side shore power. So if you like to boondock or dry camp, that'll absolutely keep up and keep that battery charged. It does have the microwave hood range as well. Can't skip over that. I mean, that is a nice feature. Heated and massage theater seating. So there's a little pull cord here. These things recline out. And then again, you got your heat, massage, and a little light to kind of glow up your drink. And underneath the seat, there's a little LED light. I'll just keep that on so you can see it in the video as well. Again, new to this year is your zebra shades. So what's cool with these is you can go right about there, and the same black materials on the opposite side. It's a total blackout. Or during the day, if you just wanted some sun in but not the full UV rays, you can do what's, you know, the day shades in a sense and let some of the light in. So that's new to this year as well. And then you have your couch at the back. So I stated earlier that this can sleep, you know, 2 to 4 people, or this is where your second couple could stay. It's very easy to make into a bed. These back cushions fold off. And then this tri-folds out. So it's all memory foam mattress. Super easy, fast to set up. There is a bit of storage down below. So blankets, pillows that you might use for this sleeping area, you can store underneath. And boom, the bed's already made. And then in the morning when they're all done, I mean, to close this up, it's just as easy as it is to set up. So it folds straight on down. It's that simple. You do have 110 and USB charger ports next to the couch with your end tables. So again, if you're got company over or people over and just want to relax and just kind of sit and talk, I mean, it's a great area to do so. Right across from your theater seating is where the TV would go. Right here, we'll come with the mount and everything. And then you have a fireplace. So this fireplace will radiate heat, or you could just turn it on for looks. And the colors down below will change colors. You can go yellow, red, blue, whatever you want. And again, that will radiate heat. You have tons of storage over here. Really deep, big storage in the back with the glass inserts on the door. Gives it a nice pop. And then you have the AM, FM, Bluetooth capable radio. And again, you have indoor, outdoor speakers. You can zone them in and out or have them all going all at the same time. I don't know if the camera guy can get this, but this will have a ceiling fan up top to really move the air around in here. And then also, we have ordered this and have this with 2 AC units. They're on separate thermostats and they are ducted together. So being a 50 amp service, you can run both ACs and really cool all of this down. Another new feature right next to the AC unit is their subwoofer that they're putting in. So you can really get some good music going on in here, and it's a better sound having that subwoofer. And then with their freestanding table, they're putting a live edge cut on here, giving more character, more look and act to it. And then 2 of the chairs can fold up and store away if it's just 2 people. And then the other 2 that are just standard, there is storage underneath for, playing cards, paper plates, you name it, you can put it there. Moving more up front on this unit, you do have a coat rack, or you can hang hats or whatever you want to hang up there. You have a motion sensor light, so if you didn't want to kick on all the LED lights early in the morning, late at night, that will automatically kick on for you so you know where you're stepping. This also has what's called a One Control. So what that is there's a One Control app you can download on your phone. It's a free download. You can scan this QR code here and pair your phone to the actual camper. You can control the lights, the slide out, the awning, the auto level. And again, this does have the one-touch auto level system on here. And a nice touchpad here where you can control everything I just said right off the display pad. It's pre-wired for the Wi-Fi, One Control hotspot. If you have questions about that, please ask. We could price that out for you, but you could basically turn your camper into a hotspot. This is a voltage meter, so this is basically telling you how much juice that solar panel is really pulling into the unit. And then moving more forward, I'm going to let the camera guy kind of go into the bathroom and I'll explain what's in there. But you have a huge oversized sink in here, medicine cabinet with storage above with a mirror, huge stand-up, full surround shower with the skylight up above, bringing natural daylight for you, a huge max air fan, really ventilate all that steam and or smells. Again, another medicine cabinet here with additional storage, deep storage for linen, toilet paper, you name it. And then down below is your foot flush RV toilet, and this is a real porcelain toilet. It's not a plastic bucket like some campers have as well. So moving more into the master bedroom, you have a giant king-size bed, and there is storage underneath, all held up with the hydraulic shocks, but tons of storage under the king-size bed. Huge wardrobe hanging area here. And there is some shelves on this side, and then with this side slid open, you have additional shelves here. And then across from your king-size bed, you have a little dresser with some drawers and some shelving as well. And a place to put a TV right above that, right up top. And on the opposite side of your bed, you have another wardrobe hanging area with some shelving, or it is prepped for washer dryer over there. So let's see if I can get that. Yep, it's prepped for washer dryer. You got USB charger ports in there, 110 outlets, you name it. So they love putting the USB charger ports all over in these campers nowadays, because I know camping, you're supposed to get away from technology, but let's face it, it's really hard to do nowadays. Everybody's got phones in their pockets. So this is a quick overview of the 2021 Arctic Wolf 3550 suite. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Telephone number is 330-564-0222. You can visit our website, www.asrvs.com. Check us out on Facebook, YouTube. We try to do as many videos as we can when we have time. Again, my name's Mike. Thanks for watching. Happy camping.
Good having.